Good afternoon. My name is Bob Bennett. I am the attorney for Dr. Tony Hall. And as of 9:15 this morning, the criminal case that has been an ordeal, been a horrendous event for him, has now been officially dismissed, and Judge Carter has signed that dismissal. We've provided to all of you a copy of that document. So the first step in this nightmare, this witch hunt that involved Dr. Hall, State Representative Ron Reynolds, and Adrian Anderson, has now come to a conclusion. The reason we called this press conference was to make sure that the citizens of Houston knew what was going on with the previous administration of the District Attorney's Office. Also to make sure that the other cases were given the right review. I serve as counsel for several other attorneys who have been investigated. In fact, 2 attorneys who have been indicted. And we feel that the next step, those 2 cases also should be dismissed. This is not the end of what's going to go on with these cases. We hope that the district attorney will do the right thing for State Representative Ron Reynolds, Adrian Anderson, and Dr. Tony Hall, and expunge the complete record of this mistake. We expect that to be done soon, and that's the right thing to do. The next issue will be whether there will be further investigation, whether by the United States Attorney's Office, the Office of Chief Disciplinary Counsel, the County and District Attorneys Association into prosecutorial misconduct, and a civil rights lawsuit. All those are presently being considered. I can't tell you we're going to go forward with any of that, but they're all being considered to make sure justice is done.
Dr. Hall has many decisions in front of him at this point. Some of that is whether we continue to make reports of the misconduct that happened in the District Attorney's Office to other law enforcement agencies, to the State Bar, whether we file a civil rights lawsuit. There are a lot of things ahead of him. We've also been contacted by other attorneys that are currently under indictment for barratry, and they have asked us to step in and see if we can assist them in getting their cases resolved as well. And I would call on the current district attorney, Judge Anderson, to review those cases and real carefully consider that when they couldn't prove barratry under a civil standard in a related case, that they're not going to be able to prove barratry in a criminal context. With that, we appreciate the efforts of the District Attorney's Office under the current administration to get these charges dismissed, and Dr. Hall is greatly relieved to have this out from under him.